Moi kaikki! Today I'm continuing my UMK video. Do check out the first part of this video if you have not done so. In that I tried to translate Mikael Gabriel and Nuplu's Vox Populi song and even attempt to see how much Estonian I can understand, which, spoiler alert, was very little bit. In this video I will go over the lyrics for the 3 remaining UMK Finnish songs that will potentially be Finland's Eurovision entry. First we have a lady called Sini Sabotage. Her song is called KUORI mua, which translates to Peel Me. And I went through her song a little bit, and her song is very Finglish. So Finglish refers to Finnish plus English, and she really mixes a lot of Finnish and English in her song. So I think this is a perfect example of Finglish. So her song was described as biisi kuvastaa sitä. The song, so biisi is a kind of puhekieli word for laulu. So laulu is the same thing as biisi, a song. So biisi kuvastaa sitä, the song describes that kuinka meissä kaikissa on monta kerrosta. Kuinka meissä kaikissa, how in all of us, on monta kerrosta, has many layers. Säkeistö 1, verse 1. Kermakakku fiilis. So kermakakku is a cream cake. Fiilis is a feeling. So feeling like a cream cake, and then every tucking day, English. Cherry on the top, English. Joo, kiitti kommenteista. Yeah, joo, kiitti, kiitos, means thank you. Kommenteista, for your comments. So kommentti is a comment. Then alkaa vähän painaa nää layerit. Alkaa vähän painaa. These layers are starting to weigh me down a little. So alkaa is to start. Vähän, a little bit. Painaa, to weigh down. Nää is short for nämä, meaning these. Layerit is like layer. She's using like a Finglish word here. Layerit, the layers. Jokaisen MP mun päällä. So jokaisen, everyone's. MP is an abbreviation for mielipide. So opinion. Mun, short for minun. My. Päällä is short for päällä, on me. So the whole sentence means at first these layers weigh me down a little, wearing everyone's opinion on me. Mukan roikkuu himmee meihemi. So mukan is short for mukanani, I guess. So with me, roikkuu is to hang. Himmee meihemi. So mayhem. So himme, I feel like could be a slang for like a great total mayhem. She's kind of saying like with me there's always this mayhem. Unboxaa mut nyt täs tääl. So unboxaa, English again for unbox. Mut, me, minut. Nyt, now. Täs is short for tässä, here. Tääl is short for täällä, here. So unboxaa mut nyt täs tääl. Unbox me now right here. And then it goes into the esikertosä. So the pre-chorus. Esikertosä is chorus, and esi means like pre. Dippaillaan diippi. Again, that's very Finglish. So dippaillaan, let's dip. Diippi. So deep, let's dip in deep. I'm ready, that's English. Tuu avaamaan mun onioni. Tuu is puhekieli for tule, so come. Avaamaan, to open. Mun, short for minun, my. Onioni is Finglish again, so onion is obviously onion, but in Finnish it would be sipuli. Sipuli is the actual Finnish word, but she's using a Finglish word here. Come open my onion. Kertosä, chorus. Ua riisu mut, so riisu mut means undress me. Ota, to take. Mun, minun, my. lanteista. So that means her hips, plural. Ki is short for kiinni, like hold on to. So ota mun lanteista kiinni means take hold of my hips. Kuori mua ku sipuli valmiina kyyneliin. So kuori mua means peel me, kuoria, to peel. Ku, kuin, like, sipuli, an onion, like we just learned. Sipuli means onion. Valmiina, ready, kyyneliin, tears. So peel me like an onion, I'm ready for tears. Riisul mut, undress me, sukella mun sisuksiin. So sukella is to dive, mun, minun, my. Sisuksiin means like your innards or like into my depths. So dive into my depths. Kuori mua ku sipuli, peel me like an onion. Mus is short for minussa, in me, on, are, kerroksia. So kerroksia means layers. Kuori mua, peel me, peel me. Next up, we have Sara Siipola. Her song is called, which is technically a swear word, so I won't say it in case of demonetization. This edustusbiisi, which is representative song, käsittelee, deals with surua, sadness, ja, and antaa kuulijalleen, and gives the listener luvan, permission, olla rikki, to be broken. Säkeistä 1, verse 1 starts with tosi hienosti pärjäilen. So I'm doing really well. I'm managing really well. Tosi hienosti is like very well, very nicely. Pärjäilen. Pärjätä is to manage something. If you pärjätä hyvin, you do well. You manage well. Tää vuosi ollut vaan tällainen. Tää vuosi, this year. Ollut, short for ollut, has been. Vaan, like, tällainen, like this. So this year has been kind of like this. Mut on päässyt jo yli. Mutta, but, on, olen, I have, päässyt, I have already, päässyt jo yli, already overcome. So yli is getting, like, going over. So I have already overcome it. Nyt kaikki on hyvin. Now everything is good. Eiks niin? Eikö niin? Isn't it? Joskus, sometimes, ehkä mä valehtelen. Maybe I lie. So ehkä, maybe, minä, I, valehtelen, I lie. So valehdella is to lie. Terapias ja kavereille. In therapy, so terapiassa. Terapias, in therapy, ja, and, kavereille, to my friends. Nekin toivois, they hope as well, so nekin toivoisi, they also hope or they also wish, että voisin, that I could, palata kuvioihin. So palata kuvioihin is to kind of return and come back. So if you were missing from the scene, you were really in a bad place, you kind of disappeared. If you palata kuvioihin, you kind of come back on the scene, you return to your friends and you're kind of available and a part of things again. And then in the esikertosäe she sings, mut yks muisto susta, kama rakas, mutta yksi, but one, muisto, memory, susta is puhekieli for sinusta, of you. Rakas is a endearment, meaning dear or my love, something like that. So, but one memory of you, dear, tuo maailman lopun takas. So, tuo is to bring, maailman lopun, the end of the world, takas. So, takaisin, back. But one memory of you, dear, brings back the end of the world. Then kertosäe, so the chorus is odottakaa, so wait. Vielä ei saa, you can't still. Pyöriä maa, spin the earth, so pyöriä is to spin. Aurinkokin, the sun too. Sammuttakaa, shut down. So like shut the sun down too. Ja tsemppibiisinne, and your cheering music. So tsemppi is kind of, if you wish someone tsemppiä, it's like an encouraging phrase that you would use, like good luck, tsemppiä. So tsemppibiisi is kind of like a good luck song, like a feel-good song, or a song wishing you to do well, something like this. Nyt ne verhot kii. So nyt ne verhot, now the curtains. Ki is short for kiinni. Now shut the curtains. Perukaa is cancel. Häät, weddings. Ristiäiset, christenings. Linnut, the birds. Junat, trains. Ja, and internet. Pysäyttäkää. Stop them. Ettekö te näe? Can't you see? So I guess the kirjakieli for that would be ettekö te näe? So can't you see? Don't you see? Which would then turn into ettekö te näe in puhekieli. Mä oon, which I'm like, but you can think of it as I'm a mess. I'm a complete wreck. Everything's just blown up in my face because she had that memory of you, rakas. We have one more Finnish song to go over, which is a song called MANIA by Seksmane. Would it be Seksmane maybe in English? Rock-painotteinen, a rock influence or rock heavy, kertoo, tells miten on ihan hyväksyttävää, how it's okay, it's acceptable, olla, to be, vähän, a little, hullu, crazy. So it's okay to be a little crazy is what this song is about. The intro starts with MANIA, must tuntuu, et mä sekoan. So must tuntuu, minusta tuntuu, I feel, et mä sekoan, että minä sekoan would be kirjakieli, so that I am losing my mind, that I'm going crazy. So if someone sekoaa, they go crazy and lose their mind. MANIA, lääkitys ei teho. So lääkitys is like your meds, your medication. Ei teho means it's not working. So the meds aren't working. Verse 1, säkeistä 1. Pienenä luulin, et mul ei vaan riitä. So pienenä luulin. When I was young, I thought, et mul, että minulla, that I, ei vaan, so ei vain riitä. I thought I wasn't enough. Riittää is to be enough. So pienenä luulin, et mul ei vaan riitä. When I was young, I thought I wasn't enough or I didn't have enough. Tai niin mulle ainakin sanottiin. Tai, or, niin mulle, niin minulle, like that to me, ainakin, at least, sanottiin, was said or was told. So, tai niin mulle ainakin sanottiin, or at least that's what I was told. Faija sano, my dad said. So faija is it's a slang term for dad. Faija. Faija sano, my dad said. Että, that. Älä välitä. Don't care about. Niistä, them, of them. So my dad said, don't care about them. Kaikki ei tajuu sua. So kaikki ei tajua sinua. Kaikki, everybody. Ei tajuu, doesn't get or doesn't understand. Sinua, sua, you. Mut kaikki on mahdollista. Mutta kaikki on mahdollista. So that means mutta, but, kaikki, everything on mahdollista, is possible. If something is mahdollista, it means it's possible. Sit aloin rakentaa mun omaa tarinaa. Sit is short for sitten. Aloin. Then I started rakentaa, to build, minun, my, oma tarina, my own story. So tarina means story. Lähin koulust. So lähin is short for lähdin. Koulust is short for koulusta. I left school. Otin bussin. I took a bus. Kohti, towards, stadia. So study is a slang word for Helsinki. Why? Because in Swedish stad is city. So study is, the slang word for Helsinki. I left school, took the bus towards Helsinki. Esikertosai, the pre-chorus. Loppuun myytyjä keikkoi. So loppuun myytyjä keikkoja. So loppuun, if something is loppuun myyty, it's sold out. So a keikka is a concert, a gig. Loppuun myytyjä keikkoi means sold out concerts plural. Nyt mul on varaa valita. Nyt, now. Mul on varaa, I have the option, now I have the ability. Valita, to choose. Mä en valita, I'm not complaining, so minä en valita. Valittaa is to complain. Mut ei se tunnu miltään. Mutta ei se tunnu miltään means but it doesn't feel like anything. If something ei tunnu miltään, it doesn't feel like anything. Ku mul on tää beep when I have this mania. Must tuntuu, I feel. Minusta tuntuu, I feel. Et mä sekoon. Oh, here we go again with the same that we translated before, that I'm going crazy. Mania, lääkitys ei teho, the meds aren't working. Mä taidan olla vähän hullu tähän maailmaan. Minä taidan, I think I seem to be, olla, to be. Vähän is short for vähän, a little bit. Hullu, crazy. Tähän, for this, maailmaan, for this world. Vaan is only, myrskyn, the storm. So myrsky is a storm. Silmäs is short for silmässä, in the eye. So only in the eye of the storm. Saan, I saan, minä saan. So I get ilmaa, air or oxygen. So only in the eye of the storm I get air or I can breathe. Vaan myrskyn silmässä saan ilmaa. Liikun ilman harniskaa. I move without an armor. So liikun, I move. Ilman, without. Harniskaa, an armor or armor. Harniska means armor. Vaik is short for vaikka, even though. Demonit, demons. Mua is short for minua, of me. Saalistaa, to prey on something. So vaik demonit mua saalistaa, even though demons prey on me. There are also 3 other Finnish contestants performing at UMK. They're singing in English though. Those are now all the UMK songs this year. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, if you were able to vote or if you're planning to vote in UMK. Which song is your favorite and which one would you vote for? Let me know in the comments. Ja kiitos paljon kun katsoitte ja nähdään ensi videossa, moikka!